Hello and welcome. It's Valerie from DerScanner, and today we're going to talk about how DerScanner, a security-focused static analysis tool, can help you identify vulnerabilities in your Scala applications. Whether you're worried about issues like SQL injections or cross-site scripting or with crypto, DerScanner has you covered, ensuring that your code is secure before it is deployed. So let's see how it works. DerScanner offers a clean and intuitive interface designed specifically to start scanning your code right away without a steep learning curve. And the first thing we need to do is set up the project, or in other words, simply provide the code base that will be used for analysis. In DerScanner, there are multiple options to do so. So you could either link your development repository directly to DerScanner and then just copy paste the link to DerScanner UI. Or alternatively, you could just drag and drop your sources as an archive, and that is precisely what we're gonna do today. Once your files are uploaded, press Start Scan. DerScanner packs over 170 security checks designed specifically for Scala applications. And unlike other security tools, DerScanner is lightning fast thanks to its centralized issue processing. Our scan has just completed, so let's jump and see the results. One overview, DerScanner will provide you with quick visuals to help you understand the state of security in your Scala applications. We're going to start with a breakdown by the criticality of set issues and also let you know what those issues really are. And if you're looking to be compliant with any security framework, DerScanner is a stellar choice. DerScanner is a MITRE certified solution, which means that we pay a lot of attention to meeting compliance goals. We support a bunch of popular security frameworks, so there's definitely something that you could choose from. And all of this information will be pulled automatically upon scan completion and also available as a security report. And to gain more insight into the vulnerabilities themselves, navigate over to detailed results. So here, for instance, we have an example of untrusted proxy being used in the application, which makes it susceptible to the man-in-the-middle attack. DerScanner will not only highlight the abstract of the source code containing the vulnerability, but also provide you with actionable advice that we store on the recommendations tab. Not only that, but DerScanner also easily integrates with popular platforms like SonarQube or Jira or Defect Dojo for painless implementation into your existing development lifecycle. And that is basically everything I wanted to cover for today. So shift left, stay safe, and I'm gonna catch you in the next one. Bye.